Today, buckle up for a deep dive into a topic that hits close to home for many of us: the quest to break free from the shackles of debt. We're not merely skimming the surface with budgeting tips. We're embarking on a journey through 5 powerhouse side hustles, each wielding the potential to supercharge your path to financial freedom. Now, let's not shy away from the elephant in the room: debt. Whether it's the lingering burden of student loans, the relentless swipe of credit cards, or the haunting echo of medical bills, we've all been in the trenches. Side hustles, my friends, are not just about pocketing a few extra dollars. They're about seizing the reins of your financial destiny. So, let's unravel the magic of these side hustles and witness how they can truly reshape your narrative on the road to debt-free living. Our first contender is none other than remote customer service. Did you know that the corporate world often outsources its customer service roles? If you've got the gift of gab and a genuine desire to assist, diving into remote customer service might just be your golden ticket. With numerous companies offering flexible opportunities, you can lend a helping hand to customers from the comfort of your own abode. A reliable means to fatten your wallet while gaining invaluable customer service experience. Next up in our arsenal, the art of flipping and reselling. Ever had that serendipitous moment when you stumble upon a hidden gem at a thrift store or garage sale? Turns out, that keen eye for spotting treasures can morph into a lucrative side hustle. Platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace eagerly await your unique finds, turning your knack for value into a potent weapon against debt. It's not just about decluttering, it's about turning your surroundings into a treasure trove for financial liberation. Moving on to the third contender, language tutoring. If you're fluent in more than one language, your linguistic prowess might be your ticket to a flourishing side hustle. Platforms like Italki, Verbling, or Preply act as bridges, connecting language learners with enthusiastic tutors, perhaps just like you. Share your language fluency and cultural insights while padding your pockets with extra income. Language tutoring isn't merely a side hustle. It's a fulfilling journey of connection with individuals from around the globe. Now, let's venture into the creative realm with our fourth contender: stock photography or videography. If your eyes are adept at capturing mesmerizing visuals, platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or even your own personal website open up lucrative avenues. Each download or purchase of your creative content translates into an extra coin in your pocket. It's a passive income source allowing you to monetize your artistic flair while simultaneously chipping away at those pesky debts. Last but undeniably not least, our fifth and final contender: starting a niche blog or YouTube channel. If passion courses through your veins for a particular topic, whether it's travel, fitness, personal finance, or DIY projects, why not share it with the world? Creating content isn't just about filling a void. It's about crafting a narrative that's both fulfilling and financially rewarding. As your audience swells, so does your potential income. It's a long-term investment with dividends that stretch far beyond the realms of mere monetary gain. Remember, breaking free from the clutches of debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Every dollar earned through these side hustles is a deliberate stride toward your financial aspirations. If these hustling insights struck a chord, show some love with a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with someone in need of a hustle boost.